Okay, so I'm going to show you probably the easiest, most cost-effective way to have one-on-one meetings. Go to Zoom, okay? Zoom meeting, whatever, and you'll find right here, video conferencing. Click on that. Okay, and I'm going to click on my account because I already have an account. There, boom, I'm already in it. Now, once you have an account, now the reason I'm telling you about Zoom is because with Zoom, you can have one person. Notice down here, your membership. Your plan has a 40-minute time limit on meetings with 3 or more participants. In other words, if you have 3 or more participants, you can only do a 40-minute time meeting, but then you have to reset and do another meeting. So if you're only going to do about a 15-20-minute meeting with a group of people in different locations, you can send it out to various people and do as many as you want. But what they don't tell you here is that you can also do an unlimited period of time with up to one person. So if you're only meeting with one person, create the link, send them the meeting, and go on, have a good meeting, okay? Now, the way to do it is really simple. Host a meeting with video on, video off, screen share only. Always pick with video on. This allows you to bounce between, if you want to do screen share, whatever. Just click on Open Zoom US. If you've not already downloaded the software, you will need to download and run it the first time, but after that, you just open right here. Now, what this is going to do is going to open a new meeting, and it's very, very simple to learn your way around and use this. Once you have a new meeting set, all you got to do is send the person you're talking to a link. If you're talking to them on Facebook Messenger, just copy the link, send it to them. You can email it to them. If you're doing this on your phone, you can, boom, just send it to them real easy. Click Join with Computer Audio or Phone Call, whichever one you want to do. You just click on it. Now here, that's me. And then all you got to do to share this is click Share. Well, this is for screen sharing. Now, this is what I want to screen share. I'm screen sharing my desktop right now. But I can screen share the Excel file that I'm working on in the background, various pages, whatever. So I've got that done. Now, let me open this back up. Manage participants. This is that. Oh, here we go. This is the ID right here. All I got to do is send them that. Now, I'm going to stop this because I can't remember where it was. Oh, here we go. Invite right here. All you got to do, if you can copy the URL right here, copy it to Clipboard. You can copy the invitation to Clipboard if you want, or you can just send them an email with it. The easiest way is just copy the URL, close it, and let's say you're going to send that to this person right here. Okay, paste, and boom, there is the Zoom meeting. All you got to do is hit send, and they will be able to log into that Zoom meeting. That's all there is to it. And then once you're in the meeting, it's just a matter of going through with any other meeting screen share. You can just bounce between screens. It's pretty easy to use. I recommend that first time you do it, find a friend. Hey, boom, open this up. Let me learn how to use this. But it's super, super simple. Best part, free of charge. So that's all I got for you. Have a great day. Go sell something. And glad you joined us.